Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Wassalatu Wassalamu ala Rasulillah. So in this video I will show you how to add multiple PDF files together, as well as how to edit them and also delete some of the pages if needed. So in my window I have two PDF files open. Number one is my assignment files. So here is my assignment. It is 7 pages. And the second is my cover. So I need to add this cover to my assignment. So for this I will use a free software called Openboard. So here is my Openboard software. It is a blackboard. It can be used for several reasons. You can take classes, online class here. So for this tutorial I will just use it to merge PDF files. So I go to the document, I click add, and then I click add pages from file. So here is my cover and here is my assignment. So I first click assignment file and I click open. So you can see it is importing file. So here is it. You can see the files here, and also if you click in the board option, then you can see next page, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the next thing what I need to do is to add my cover. So I go to the document option, then again click add and pages from file. Then I click the file cover, then I click open. You can see the cover is added, but however it is in the last page. I want it to be in number 1. So I click this file, click this page and drag it to number 1. So I have this blank page open from previous, so I click it and I click trash. Yes, so it is removed. So if you can now click board, you can see the page arrangement. Here is my cover. Next, 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 next. Okay, so our PDF is good to go. So however, suddenly a problem arises and I need to add a graph to this PDF, and I need this graph to be after this page, objective page, and before the sample calculation. So I click here plus. I click on the document, so you can see it is actually number 4. I want it number after number 2, so I drag it here. Now it is number 3 page. So I can click board. So I need here to insert a graph and then some other calculation. So for this I will just click I will open the Excel file. So here is my Excel file, and this is the graph I want to add. So I click in the graph and I type Control C. So it is now copied, and now I need to paste it in the Openboard app. So here is my app, and this is my blank page. I just type Control V, and now this is my graph. So I just need to resize it. It doesn't have to be within this boundary. You can just place it anywhere you want. So I put it on top, extend some of the size. Okay, so I also want to add some calculation below. So I have already written those calculation. So here is my calculation, and I just want to take a snap and paste it there. So I type Windows Shift and S, then I select this portion. It is now copied to my clipboard. So I can go back to my app and type Ctrl V. You can see this is inserted here. So I just drag it down and resize it. Okay, now my PDF is almost finished. So I just go through what I have arranged. So this is my number 1 page. This is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I just found out that I have to put the sample calculation before the graph. So I need to move the sample calculation to before the graph. So again I click documents, and this is my sample calculation, and I put it after page 2. So this is before the graph. When I go to the sample calculation, but however, if you notice, this was my number 1 page, number 1, and this is supposed to be number 2. So, and this is supposed to be number 3, 4, and this is also same as before. So I need just to edit some of the part of the files. So I just have to edit this number 4 to number 2. So I zoom in this part, click on this white color, and just select line width and just brush it. Okay. So I need to write number 2. So I click on black, then write number 2. Okay. So I zoom out, then go next. Next, this is supposed to be number 3. So again I follow the same procedure, click white, then click black and write number 3. Okay, I zoom out, then go to next page. This is now supposed to be number 4, and this is as it was before. So I just have to click it, write it number 4. Again white color, then black color. Okay, so I believe our work here is done. This is number 5, number 6, and number 7. Okay, if you want to view one more from there, you can see in the cover page, the objective, and the uh, data sheet, and then the graph. Okay, now I need to export it into PDF. So I click export, export to PDF. I save it to my desktop named let's say sample. Then I click save. Then I go to my desktop. Here is my sample, and this is my final product. Here is my cover, my first page, my second page, my graph. You can see it is nicely arranged here. The sample calculation, number 4 page, number 5, number 6, and the final page. So in this tutorial I showed you how to join multiple PDF files, how to add another page. Also you can delete some of the page from here. If you just click one of the page and just click trash, it will be deleted. And I also showed you how to edit some of the mistakes in your document. So I believe this will be a great help of you, and there are many other features in Openboard you can use to simplify your works. Okay, bye.